Well, hello everyone. I'm doing a video this week just because that is a little bit easier to show and explain. We're doing the concat formula, which I find to be quite handy. So what this will do is that it'll add all of our information that we want into one column, and that'll make it just easier to look at and easier to print if need be. So how you do it is you do A2. And then we want a space, so I'll do a space in quotation marks, and then we want B2 in there. And then I want a dash, so space, and then a dash in quotation marks, and then C2, and then enter. And then as you see, we have all of this information now in one spot instead of having to look at all of the different columns and rows. And this will be helpful if you have a long list of information, just to kind of prevent maybe your eyes from kind of going cross-eyed and maybe looking at the wrong information on one of the lines. This also helps if you wanted to print it or create a label. If it's something that you need to copy and paste and put somewhere else, this will help just have it in one spot, a little bit more concise. I found this very, very helpful and handy, especially if you have many rows of data that you're looking at, or say that you needed to print this off for like a church group, or like for me, our team does on call, so we like to have all the names and phone numbers for everybody on call if you have something that you need help with. And this just makes it a little bit easier and more concise to share that information instead of having to copy and paste all of the different columns and rows. So I find this very helpful. I hope you guys all find it helpful as well.